Basil is another great herb to add to the garden, and whether you have a dedicated herb garden or just a little extra space in your vegetable garden, it's a nice complement to those vegetables as well. Now, as basil is an annual, it will die each year, but it's easy to reseed and sow directly into the garden each spring. The hard part is deciding on which basil to grow. Now, there's a couple of different types you can try. We have a small leaf basil right here that's called a Globe Basil. And this is only going to form a compact, about 12 to 18 inch round bush. And you can see it's much different than our traditional basils that we might see. This particular one is going to be slow to set seeds, which is nice. If you're looking for another one, there's also called a boxwood basil that also stays compact. And because of their compact habit, these are a nice addition to any small garden. Also, they're great for containers or even add a nice ornamental border. There's another cultivar called Cardinal Basil, and while this one's not blooming, it's actually been cultivated to showcase those flowers of basil. In fact, sometimes people mistake this for a showy burgundy celosia because of the beautiful flowers that it produces throughout the season. And it too will maintain that sweet, intense flavor of our traditional basils. Here in front of us, we have a more traditional looking basil. This one's called Amazel basil. There's also one called Dolce, which is a 2015 AAS winner. And you can go with more of a citrus flavored basil with lime and lemon basil, or perhaps try a cinnamon basil that has red stems and a pink flower to it. A couple of purple foliage basils that you might want to try are called Purple Ruffles or Round Midnight. Now, regardless of which basil you choose, they really prefer a moderate pH of 6 to 7.5, and they also like a rich, moist soil. With so many different basils to choose from, there's bound to be one that works for you and your palate.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.